Imagine a world where you can transfer money across the globe in seconds, apply for a loan from your phone, and manage your entire financial life digitally. FinTech and digital banking are not just trends. They are transforming how we handle money, and understanding them could make or break your financial future. 1. What is FinTech? FinTech, short for financial technology, is the marriage of finance and innovation. It's everything from mobile banking apps to AI-powered investment platforms. Essentially, it's technology making money smarter, faster, and more accessible. Think about the traditional banking experience: long queues, endless paperwork, and slow approvals. FinTech changes all that. Apps like PayPal, Revolut, and Stripe allow you to pay, transfer, or receive money instantly. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront can manage your investments automatically, often at a fraction of the cost of a human advisor. But FinTech is not just convenience, it's empowerment. It allows individuals who were previously excluded from the financial system to participate. In countries with limited banking infrastructure, mobile wallets and digital payments are enabling entrepreneurship, education, and financial independence. FinTech is not the future, it's here now, and understanding it is crucial to staying ahead in the digital economy. 2. Digital banking explained. Digital banking refers to traditional banking services delivered through digital channels. It's your bank, but on your phone or computer. No more waiting in line. You can check balances, deposit checks, pay bills, and even apply for loans without stepping into a branch. For example, N26 and Chime are digital-first banks offering services like instant notifications, low fees, and budgeting tools. Unlike conventional banks, they rely on cloud computing and advanced algorithms to streamline operations, reduce costs, and offer better customer experiences. Digital banking also provides personalized insights. AI algorithms analyze spending patterns and can suggest ways to save or optimize your finances. For instance, apps can detect recurring subscriptions you forgot about or alert you when you're overspending in a category. But this convenience comes with responsibility. Digital banking makes transactions faster, which means mistakes, like overspending or falling for scams, can also happen faster. Understanding how these tools work and keeping security measures in mind is vital. 3. The rise of FinTech. The FinTech revolution is accelerating at a dizzying pace. Venture capital investments in FinTech companies exceeded $150 billion in 2025 alone. Why? Because people want faster, cheaper, and smarter ways to handle money. Peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo or Cash App have made splitting bills effortless, while digital lending platforms like SoFi or Lending Club provide loans without the bureaucracy of traditional banks. Even insurance has gone digital with InsurTech platforms offering instant quotes and policies online. The pandemic accelerated this trend. People who were hesitant to go fully digital suddenly had no choice. And now, even when branches are open, many prefer the convenience of digital banking. FinTech is also democratizing investing. Platforms like Robinhood and eToro allow users to buy stocks or crypto with minimal fees, something that was once only accessible to wealthy investors or Wall Street insiders. This shift is reshaping the entire financial landscape. 4. Benefits for consumers. The benefits of FinTech and digital banking are enormous. 1. Convenience. Manage your finances anytime, anywhere. 2. Cost efficiency. Lower fees compared to traditional banks. 3. Speed. Instant transfers, payments, and approvals. 4. Financial insights. Apps analyze your spending, saving, and investment habits. 5. Accessibility. Even those without traditional bank accounts can participate. Consider Maria, a small business owner in a rural town. With a mobile wallet and digital banking, she receives payments instantly, tracks expenses automatically, and even applies for small business loans, all without traveling hours to the nearest branch. FinTech isn't just improving lives, it's enabling growth and opportunity. 5. Risks and challenges. No revolution comes without risks. Digital banking and FinTech, while powerful, bring challenges. Cybersecurity is the biggest concern. Hacks, phishing, and identity theft are constant threats. Unlike cash, digital money can be stolen instantly if security is weak. Another risk is over-reliance on automation. While AI-driven recommendations are helpful, blindly following them can be risky. For example, an investment app might suggest high-risk options based on trends, but without understanding the underlying risk, you could lose money. 6. FinTech and financial inclusion. One of FinTech's most powerful impacts is financial inclusion. Globally, billions of people lack access to traditional banking. Digital wallets and mobile banking apps provide access to payments, savings, credit, and investments, often without physical banks. For example, in Kenya, M-Pesa transformed the economy. People could send money, pay bills, and access microloans using just their phones. Entrepreneurs could start businesses, students could pay tuition, and families could transfer funds safely, all digitally. FinTech also helps underbanked populations in developed countries. Apps allow gig workers, freelancers, and those with irregular incomes to access loans, manage cash flow, and plan for the future. Financial inclusion is not just a tech trend, it's a social revolution. By giving people access to financial tools, FinTech empowers independence, entrepreneurship, and opportunity. 7. How to use FinTech wisely. Using FinTech and digital banking effectively requires a mix of discipline, awareness, and strategy. Here's how to make it work for you. 1. Start with trusted apps. Stick to well-known platforms with security measures. 2. Secure your accounts. Use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. 3. Monitor your activity. Check transactions daily to catch mistakes or unauthorized payments. 4. Budget with apps. Use FinTech tools to track spending and savings goals. 5. Leverage automation. Automate payments, savings, or investment contributions to stay consistent. Storytime. Alex, a young professional, used a digital bank and FinTech budgeting app. By automating savings and tracking expenses, he paid off $5,000 in debt in under a year and started investing with spare funds. Small, consistent steps, amplified by technology, created massive results. Remember, FinTech is a tool. Tools amplify what you already do. If you're disciplined, they accelerate growth. If you're careless, they accelerate mistakes. 8. The future of FinTech. The future is exciting. AI, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and decentralized finance, DeFi, are redefining money and banking. Imagine a world where loans are processed in seconds using smart contracts, cross-border payments happen instantly, and AI advisors predict financial risk before they happen. FinTech is also likely to become even more personalized. Apps will anticipate your needs, provide tailored advice, and optimize your financial life like never before. However, regulation will also play a bigger role. Governments will balance innovation with security to protect consumers. Companies that fail to adapt to these rules may disappear, while innovative, secure platforms will thrive. For consumers, staying informed and adaptable will be key. Understanding how FinTech works, the risks involved, and how to use it effectively will separate those who thrive financially from those who fall behind. Conclusion: FinTech and digital banking are not just tools. They are reshaping the financial world. From speed and convenience to inclusion and empowerment, the potential is enormous. But with great power comes responsibility. Secure your accounts, stay informed, and use technology wisely. Your financial future depends on how you navigate this digital revolution. Start small, stay disciplined, and embrace the tools that give you control over your money. Like, share, and subscribe.